Citrus season is in full swing, so we're going to celebrate by cooking up some blood oranges.
In my cooking class, rah, 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 beef, Roma, Roma, tomatoes, gaga, oh, lasagna, in my cooking class.
Now this is one of those dishes that comes together really quickly after you've done all the prep. I've already made the 4 crepes. And I've also made some lemon yogurt. I also have the zest of 1 blood orange. Now first I'm just going to cut open a blood orange and show you what it's like inside. Really rich red color. It also has a bit of a richer flavor than regular oranges. Some people say it has hints of raspberry. I just think it tastes really good. It's about twice as expensive as normal oranges, but it's worth it. So first we want to get some nice segments from a couple blood oranges. Time to build the sauce. I have this large non-stick skillet on medium heat with about a teaspoon of oil. I'm going to add the orange zest. And to that I'm going to add some brown sugar. I'm going to add some white wine. And to that we're going to add about a half a cup of blood orange juice. After the sauce is reduced a little bit, we're going to introduce that lemon yogurt. Get all the lumps out. After the sauce has come together and simmered just a bit more, it's time to put the crepes in for a nice little bath. First dip it in the sauce and try to get as much of it submerged as I can. And I fold it in half. And then once more in half. Repeat this process with the remaining 3 crepes. At this point you want to turn the heat down to low and start placing these lovely segments on top of our crepes. Put a lid on and simmer this for a couple minutes. To serve, scoop up a couple crepes, carefully. Rescue some of the extra juices from the pan. And garnish with some more of that lemon yogurt. And behold its red, citrusy goodness. And now we're going to serve this to our critic of the week. Come on, take a bite. It's okay. Well? What are you— ah! Most of my friends growing up were Chinese American, and when Chinese New Year came along, that meant 2 things. The dough is nicely rested, see how easily it just, pulls apart.